Welcome to today's riddle challenge. We've collected 50 of the most famous and tricky riddles in the world. You'll get 10 seconds to guess each one, so grab a pen, keep score, and let's begin. Before we start, let's click the subscribe box for more fun videos. Riddle 1. What has to be broken before you can use it? The answer is an egg. 2. What gets wetter the more it dries? Answer is a towel. 3. What has many keys but can't open a door? Answer is a piano. 4. What can you catch but not throw? The answer is a cold. Riddle number 5. What has a face and hands, but no arms or legs? Answer is a clock. 6. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? Answer is a candle. 7. What runs but never walks, has a bed but never sleeps? Answer is a river. 8. What belongs to you, but others use it more? Answer is your name. 9. What has one eye but cannot see? Answer is a needle. 10. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? Answer is a stamp. 11. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Answer is footsteps. 12. What is full of holes but still holds water? Answer is a sponge. 13. Forward, I'm heavy. Backward, I'm not. What am I? Answer is the word temps. 14. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Water kills me. Answer is fire. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. Answer is an echo.
I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. Who am I? Answer is a bank. 17. What goes up but never comes down? Answer your age. Riddle 18. What has cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water? Answer is a map. 19. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. Give me a smile and I'll smile back. Answer is a mirror. 20. What begins with T, ends with T, and has tea in it? Answer is a teapot. 21. Mary's father has 5 daughters. Nana, Nene, Nini, Nono, and. Answer Mary. Riddle number 22. Which month has 28 days? Answer all of them. 23. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Answer is light. 24. What disappears as soon as you say its name? Answer is silence. 25. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? Answer a barber. 26. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? Answer is the letter E. What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? The word incorrectly. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Answer is the letter M. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? He was bald. What has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs? Answer is a penny. If I drink, I die. If I eat, I'm fine. What am I? Fire. What has 4 fingers and a thumb but isn't alive? Answer is a glove.
The person who makes it sells it. The person who buys it never uses it. The person who uses it doesn't know it. Answer is a coffin. What begins with an E, ends with an E, but only contains one letter? Answer is an envelope. I go in hard, come out soft, and you blow me to feel good. Answer is chewing gum. What has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Answer is a bed. You see a boat filled with people. It hasn't sunk, yet not a single person is on board. How? All are married, no, single, persons. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters? Short. A doctor and a bus driver both love the same woman. The bus driver had a week-long trip and gave her 7 apples. Why? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The more there is, the less you see. Darkness. Farmer must take a wolf, a goat, and a cabbage across a river. The boat holds the farmer plus 1 item. Left alone, wolf eats goat, goat eats cabbage. How can he do it? Answer: take goat over, return alone, take wolf over, bring goat back, take cabbage over, return alone, take goat over. 3 light switches outside the room control 3 bulbs inside. You can enter once. How do you find which switch controls which bulb? Answer: turn on switch A for a few minutes, turn it off. Then turn on B, enter, bulb that's on B. And now it's warm but off A, cold and off C. Rapid fire, short, punchy. Get ready. What has a neck but no head? Answer: a bottle. What comes down but never goes up? Answer is rain. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Answer, the future. What room has no doors or windows? Answer, a mushroom. What kind of band never plays music? Answer, a rubber band. What invention lets you look right through a wall? Answer is a window. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Answer is silence. What has teeth but can't bite? Answer is a comb. How many did you solve? Comment below your score or subscribe for more.